everybody, I hope you are Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it is not working on your device. On the application of Chatbot AI Nova, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search for Chatbot AI Nova and we click here. We click here on Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.